Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis, may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I have some fragrances that I think that you can wear to like a carnival, fair, fun, things that are happening for the spring and summer. So if you're interested in seeing some of my picks that kind of have a direct or a very intentional need or use, just keep watching. So first up, my recommendation, I just got done talking about this, for a carnival or fun or a direct kind of use, would be the new Banana Rush from Juliet Has a Gun. Look, this may not be my thing, but it may be somebody else's thing out there, okay? And I would definitely add this to a fun kind of carnival list, right? I just saw the fair actually is coming in my neck of the woods. Actually, there's a couple of fairs happening now. So I thought like maybe somebody else in some other city or some other town or some other area, y'all are also getting prepared for some fun events coming up in your city. But Banana Rush is for a particular person who loves a good banana, okay? So this is Now and Later Junior, okay? Meet Now and Later Banana Junior. So if you like that type of scent profile, this will be perfect. This is very fun, very banana forward, but I think that you would have a good time at a carnival with this fragrance for sure. Next up, when I think about carnival and fun, I think about bubblegum, okay? Maybe not, but I do have some bubblegum note fragrances that I would recommend for a fun event, okay? One is Toy 2. This beautiful bear concoction is definitely bubblegum, double bubblegum, bubblicious, okay? So if you like a good bubblegum note, and you may not, right? It's just same as banana, but I do like this more than the Banana Rush. But if you like a good bubblegum note, I would highly recommend this fragrance, Toy 2. It gives you this bubblegum fun, you know, a little bit of skirt flirty, right? Like this is like schoolgirl. Absolutely. I love this fragrance so much. And then also Victoria's Secret Tease Sugar Fleur, okay? So I don't know if you can find this. You might have to go to a Victoria's Secret outlet. That might be where you can discover this. Either way, this is so good. It has a bubblegum note in here, but it also, for me with this one, comparison to this, it adds a little bit of a floral, a very sweet type of take on bubblegum. So if you're wanting a little bit more, you know, a little in depth, you know, you don't want to be all the way bubblegum, but you want a little bit more of a sweet type of floral kind of concoction. This is definitely going to be one up your alley. I love them both together is on brand. So feel free, okay, if you are looking for just a unique take, something fun, flirty for your carnival, fun event, consider either one would be a good partner for that special event day. Next up, I don't know if the bottle does it for me, that gives me like fair vibe, or the scent, but all the same, this white peach fragrance is so good. And I love a good peach, white peach, bergamot. This also has like coconut. It has brown sugar, and it also has jasmine, which I've been in. But this is from the House of Oud. This is Bon Bon Pop. I think like the bottle may give me like carnival vibes. But either way, this is a great fragrance for your picnics, your events. Like if you have a, you know, lunch coming up or a dinner that's going to be fun, and you want something like maybe not very childish, but fun and flirty and sexy, I would absolutely consider this. Like, again, I think the bottle more so gives me the carnival vibes, but This fragrance is so good. If you like any of those notes that I just mentioned, chef's kiss. And brown sugar, you let this sit and soak and do its thing. Yeah, this is best friend for sure. So this is for my very, a little bit of serious, boss lady, okay? But you want to be flirty and fun, I would consider From the House of Beau, Bon Pom Pop is surely a great fragrance to pick for your fun event. Next up, I see that it has a new body, but I have the old body, but still all the same, and that is Annabelle's Birthday Cake. If you are not new, you have heard me talk about this fragrance, and I have said before, you see the dent, like I cannot wear this all the time. There's like special events, special occasions that I would wear this like very unique, fun fragrance. One, this has a latex, right? Because balloons, Annabelle, birthday, it's like the birthday celebration, cupcakes in this, right? Like all the things, birthday celebration, including the balloons is in this. And so it does give you this latex type of note in here. So that's not going to go over well for everyone and everyone's skin, right? So I can't wear this all the time and being like, yeah, this was in the vibe for today, right? This is not an everyday fragrance, but if I have a birthday party, something fun, fair, things that are coming up in this season, absolutely. This is a great pick and it's very unique and special and no one is going to have this. No one's going to smell like you, but it is so good. So it just doesn't come on like just that latex. It has this component of like cupcakes and cake-like things. So that sweet mixed with this uniqueness definitely gives you Annabelle's Birthday Cake, right? And this is from Maritza Zappa's. This is her line. This is so spot on, very much on brand of what this is supposed to be. This is it, okay? It is good, but it's definitely not a blind buy. Because it's unique, I would absolutely suggest you get a tester, see if you like it, see if you like the vibe, as I did, then move on to purchasing the bigger bottle. Next up, two fun things from the same house, and this is Zara. I haven't talked about Zara in so long. I haven't purchased Zara in so long, to be honest. Nothing wrong with it. I just have not tapped back into the Zara bag, so I'll have to look up some things. But we have Marshmallow Addiction, and from the same kind of line, let me turn it over, we have Candy Festival. Both are so good, and if you are not new to the channel, I talked about these both down. And carnival theme, carnival vibe, yes, and yes, these both are so good, okay? And Marshmallow Addiction, I mean, what can I say? Whipped cream, sugar, all the things that you want to like. And I'm just gonna put it on this arm because it just smells so good. But all the, I knew it was gonna do that. All the things that you want, like marshmallow and citrus and fresh and like, it's so good and sweet. If you are into like sweet and gourmand fragrances, you would love this. This is definitely one to have. It's probably a different look because Zara changes his look all the time. So might be in a different packaging, but it's all the same. And then Candy Festival, again, still gives you that like citrus fresh vibe and candy, but this one kind of, you want that floralness, right? With the candy. If you want floral and candy and fun and fresh and free, like this is so good as well. So both are great separate, both are great together. These are, I would highly recommend if you're looking for carnival fun, some Zara fragrance, some affordable fragrances that gives you that vibe. Absolutely would suggest you get on Marshmallow Addiction and Candy Festival from Zara. And last but certainly not least, okay, there has to be strawberry and cheesecake in the mix for me when we talk about fun and fair and candy and cakes and pies. Yeah, girl, just throw the throw the cheesecake in there. I love cheesecake. Like anytime, like I love a good cheesecake. Do you? I don't know, but I love a good cheesecake. And so Joe said made this dente a la vanille, but there is this like flanker, I'm gonna call it, and this is the creme to la berry. This is so good, okay? Spot on cheesecake, strawberry cheesecake. Come on, fair whipped cream, vanilla. Like, what? This is so good. Oh, baby, I think I need this today. Okay, so if you are looking for something cheesecake, strawberry, I don't know why I do that to myself. Okay, because I can't concentrate. That's why I just try not to spray, because I can't concentrate. It's so good and delicious and creamy and festive and cheesecakey. You can even smell the graham cracker like crustiness in it. So good, okay? So good, ladies, and he's gonna love it. I'm always talking about he. You gonna love it too, because you're the important one. You gonna love it too. But it is so good. I would highly recommend you have that for your fair, fun, free festival day. Well, that's all, fam, for my carnival festive picks, okay? What are some fragrances that you like wearing during the carnival fair fun season? I would love to know. Comment down below, sound it off. Let us know what you love wearing, all right? And maybe it's not food, fun, and free. Maybe it's very serious, and you like to be serious at the fair. To each its own, honey. Okay? Well, until next time, make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one tells you that you're more than enough, yeah. Your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.